Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is Maryum Sajjad with international news around the world. Army stands by government's decision not to give bases to US forces. General Bajwa. Pakistan has refused to give any military base to the US for operations inside Afghanistan after the withdrawal of foreign forces. Saudi Arabia, UAE did not ask Pakistan to recognize Israel, says Ashrafi. Pakistan has not been approached by Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates to recognize Israel, clarified Pakistan Ulama Council Chairman and Special Aide to Prime Minister on Religious Harmony and the Middle East Tahir Mahmood Ashrafi. Key dates in US involvement in Afghanistan says 9/11. American troops pulled out of their main military base in Afghanistan on Friday, a US defense official said, under an agreement with the Taliban allowing for the withdrawal of all US forces from the country to end their longest war. Prime Minister Imran Khan wishes Justin Trudeau Canadians on National Day. Canada Day, also called Dominion Day, is celebrated by Canadians as a national holiday to commemorate their country's formation. Prime Minister Imran Khan and National Assembly Speaker Asad Kaisar have extended their felicitations respectively to Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau and Anthony Rota, the Speaker of Canada's House of Commons, on the National Day of Canada. UAE bans traveling to Pakistan, India. The United Arab Emirates announced on Thursday a travel ban on citizens to India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, South Africa and Nigeria. China will never be bullied again, Xi Jinping wants world powers. Chinese President Xi Jinping warned world powers on Thursday that the era of China being bullied was over forever. New Saudi airline plane takes aim at Emirates Qatar Airways. The Saudi expansion threatens to sharpen a battle for passengers at a time when travel has been hit by the coronavirus pandemic. India hits 400,000 COVID-19 deaths as vaccinations slow. India became the third country to surpass 400,000 COVID-19 deaths, official data showed on Friday, as the country's vast vaccination drive slows. Hundreds in China, US believed dead in heat wave despite efforts to help. Many of the dead were found alone in homes without air conditioning or fans. Some were elder, one as old as 97. The body of an immigrant farm labor was found in an Oregon nursery. This is end of today's international news. Take care of yourself. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching CID News Network, Islamabad.